Hi, I am Praveen and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll try to show you how to resolve the issue with email delivery. In my case, I was trying to send an email from my Exchange account to my Google Workspace account, which was not working for so many months. And I've also tried to get help from Microsoft support team, which they were not able to resolve the issue because of multiple reasons. So if you are facing issues with email delivery with an error code that is 5.1.10, and do you think that email from Exchange email account is not getting delivered to G Suite or Google Workspace account? There is a situation where you have two domain on Microsoft 365 and you are sending an email from one of the account to another secondary domain account, and if you will find that it is not getting delivered. So this is the screen that I wanted to show you. This email has got undelivered, and you can just click on this link to find out the solution. So this is the link I want to talk about in this video, and solution is already given by Microsoft in their documentation, and I'll just try to show you how you can fix this issue. So there is something called accepted domain kind of thing. You can I will just show you my Microsoft 365 admin portal, where I'll show you that I have multiple domains registered here, or settings are done for that. The primary domain is itech-india .education, which is my primary domain or default domain, and itech-india.org is the one which is on this is the domain where I wanted to deliver my email, and this domain is also there registered with Google Workspace. Because this was also a very not I was not able to understand why this is not able to send email from one account to another, that is from Microsoft Exchange to Google Workspace. That was very little tricky, because it was able to send to an email from any from Exchange to any email account, that is, may it be Hotmail or normal Google account or Yahoo account. So it was able to deliver it successfully, but it was not able to deliver to the Google Workspace account. So there was some setting issue in my Microsoft 365 admin portal that I want to discuss here. So you just need to open your admin portal of Microsoft 365. You can follow these steps. I'll just show you how it was getting an issue. I'll just edit this, and I'll revert the settings to show you how this I was getting this issue, and I'll try to send an email from my Exchange account to Google account. So this is my Exchange account, and I will try to send an email to my Google account. This is my Google account ID, testmail6, and I'll just try to show you how it is getting delivered or not. So because I have already reversed the setting in my admin portal, so I'll get an non-delivery of this message as soon as I send it. As you can see this, so this is the non-delivery of email because of that setting in my Microsoft 365 portal. So I'll just go back to Microsoft 365 portal as I have displayed earlier. You have to open your Exchange. Once you click on this will open another window. You have to click on mail flow and then accepted domain, and then you have to click on the domain where you are getting this issue, because this is the domain where email is not getting delivered. So you just need to click on edit and you need to click on internal relay. Internal relay is because this is also registered inside my Microsoft 365 admin portal. So internal relay needs to be checked over here, and you just need to click on save. Once you click on save and close this window, and I go back to my Exchange account and try to send an email from there and see whether it is getting delivered or not. So this is my Google account, testmail7, and you will find that this is getting delivered and this will not return back or bounce back to this account. I have not received it. I'll go back to my Google account, which is this. I'll receive an email, testmail7. So here it is. So this was the problem that I wanted to discuss in this video. I hope this was helpful, and if you think that this was helpful, please comment in this area, and if you think that you want to discuss some more, or you wanted to have some more discussion, or you have some more issues, you can type in the comment section. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.